Alright guys, let's go ahead and quickly have a closer look at everything that comes included with the kit. So starting off with the fog machine itself, one really cool feature that I want to point out to you, we do have this wireless remote control over here that's going to allow us to wirelessly control the fog machine, which is definitely a really nice feature. I'm going to get you guys more familiar with this shortly throughout the course of this video. Next, over here to the right hand side, we do have these little plastic attachments, little adapters over here, depending on how we want the fog to come out of the fog machine. So for an example, we have this one that we can go ahead and install, which is a little bit wider. We have this one, which is a nice straight narrow tip for an example, or we have these other ones that are like on an angle. So depending on how you want to give out the fog out of the machine, we have these different adapters, and along with these little foam pieces as well. So if I wanted to use this narrow piece for an example, I can slide it in here into this little foam piece, and now it's going to come out a little bit maybe softer or a little bit more spread out or whatnot. So we can go ahead and try that out throughout the course of this video. Onto the left hand side, we do have the charging cable for the fog machine. It's a USB-A to USB-C. Over here, we do have a 60 ml fog liquid, which is included with the kit. And I'm going to show you guys how to install that over here onto this cartridge. So inside of here, we do have the fog liquid cartridge over here that we're going to need to install. So we can just go ahead and remove this little rubber piece here at the top, install the liquid, and then from there install this in top of the fog machine. We will do that shortly. We do also have included the user manual as well, and how can we not mention this nice carrying case to keep everything nice and protected and organized. So guys, let's go ahead and get a little bit more familiar with the fog machine itself. So starting off over here at the bottom, we do have a 1/4-20 thread, which is going to allow us to mount it, for an example, to a tripod. We talked about this removable controller and display screen, and along with all the buttons that we're going to get more familiar with shortly once we power it on. We do have a USB-C charging port over here because this does have a 2,500 milliamp hour battery, internal battery, and it takes approximately 2.5 hours to charge, and the whole device only weighs approximately 276 grams. We do have this removable plastic cap over here that just simply unscrews. This is where we're going to actually be able to install the cartridge for the liquid. We do have a notice over here that does say that make sure that the liquid does not become too low. So we do have a red line over here on this cartridge, and it's saying make sure do not operate it if the liquid is below this red line. So we want to make sure that we fill it up, the liquid, pretty much at least halfway or so, or even all the way. So let's just go ahead and demonstrate how to install this. You just simply screws in. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and open up this liquid over here with the protective seal on the inside. Okay, so ideally, I think it might be the best bet to unscrew the cartridge from the device, but I'm just going to attempt to fill it in like so. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the nozzle in. I'm going to squish a little bit the bottle. It's good enough when you squeeze it, it comes out. Okay, good. So I think that's pretty good. I filled it up about maybe halfway or so. I want to see how long that lasts. So let's put on this little rubber piece here to seal in that liquid. Make sure it doesn't spill out. Okay, so that rubber piece is on top of the cartridge. Okay, looking pretty good. Let's put this cap back on over here onto the fog liquid so it doesn't spill out. Looking good, looking good. And now let's go ahead and power it on. So let's go ahead and press and hold this power button. And it's basically telling me over here, oil tank connected. Yes, it is connected. So now let's go ahead and maybe let's increase the fog amount. This is full blast fog amount, and the fan, I want to reduce the fan to a lower setting. Okay, so bingo. Now let's try this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is heavy duty. This is looking pretty nice. I'm really impressed with this so far. The amount of fog coming out of this and the fact that we can control it. Let's go ahead and put this tip on here. Let's see what this little foam sponge tip over here and see what kind of a difference this makes. It's a little bit more controlled. It doesn't kind of like blow it out. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, having a closer look over here at this wireless remote controller, we'll start off with the buttons that we have here towards the bottom. As you can see, we do have the power button, so you just need to press and hold it to either power it on or to power it off. Just below the power button, we do have a button that's going to allow us to navigate through the menu. So you can see every time I press it, the blue area of the option that we're going to control is changing. So right now it's into the middle for the timer. press it again over here to the amount of fog. Next time we press it is going to go to the fan, and next over here we do have the free control setting. So for an example, if I wanted to control this free setting to go to the different options, we can now use this plus or minus icon over here, and it's going to navigate through those different options, kind of scroll through them. For an example, right now we are on steam, we have free, we have dry ice, and we have fog, and back to steam. So let's just keep it on free right now, which I prefer because it allows me to have full control of my amount of fog and my fan settings. So now if we go ahead and press the same button over here to navigate through the menu, we're gonna come over here, press it by pressing it one time. It's gonna come to the timer section. And now over here into the timer, we can either increase time or decrease the time. And we can, for an example, now press this trigger button, and the fog machine is going to create fog for the amount of time that we set. So let's go ahead and trigger that. Press it one time, and you can see it is counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it automatically stops on its own. So now let's go ahead and press the navigate button one more time. As you can see over here, we are in the fog amount, so we can either decrease it or increase it with this plus or minus buttons. Okay, now let's go over here to the fan speed. So right now you can see I have the fan speed set to low, but we can increase the fan speed all the way up or set it anywhere we like it. Perfect. So I think now you guys are a little bit more familiar with this remote control. Again, the battery icon on the top left. We have the signal strength onto the top right. The display screen is pretty easy to see. So let's just go ahead and dock it into the fog machine just like that. Fits in nicely and doesn't come out or fall out. So overall, I do feel like this is a nice design, and I feel like it's really well built as well. So another thing I just wanted to briefly point out, yes, we do have included this 60 milliliter bottle of fog liquid included with the kit, but I've also purchased another container over here of this fog liquid as well, just in case I run out into the near future. I do have another bottle laying around ready to go. All right, guys, check this out. I'm gonna get the fog machine and I'm gonna fill up some of the fog into this case over here, and then I'm gonna open it up and see what kind of effect it gives us. So I'm just gonna press the button here. I have the fog set to kind of high, the fan set to low, and on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that looks sick, actually. Like a little product reveal. Boom, it's just smoking, it's so hot. Awesome, very cool. All right, guys, it looks like we reached that time of the video to give you guys my overall thoughts and opinion of the C40. If you guys cannot tell already, I'm actually very impressed with the build quality. I really do like the wireless remote control. I'm happy that we obviously have the liquid included with the kit, so it's just like you buy it once and you have everything included. It's very easy to use and operate. As you can see, we do have full control, and along with some presets and the timer, and along with all of these different adapters, easy charging via the USB-C. Overall, I'm impressed with it. The 1/4 thread mount over here, I'm impressed. I do like it. Would I recommend it? Yes, 100%. If you do not have a fog machine already, this is definitely going to add some creativity to your videos. I'm impressed with it for what we were getting for the price. Overall, any questions, let me know down in the comment section down below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Till next time, peace.